Now, today we'll be doing subject science and the first lesson about me. About me, first lesson, we'll be doing the revision part, reading part. Okay, let us read. Okay, exercise, fill in the blanks. We taste food with our tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Spelling of tongue is Tongue. Tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Okay. The organ that help us to see is the eyes. The organ that help us to see is the eyes. What is the spelling of eyes, children? E-Y-E, eyes. Okay. Heart is an organ found inside the body. Heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart is an organ found inside the body. Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, help to digest the food we eat. Stomach help to digest the food we eat. Okay, true and false. You have to write true or false. Now, eyes help us to walk. Children, eyes help us to walk? No, it is false. Eyes help us to walk. It is false. We have two lungs that lies inside the chest. We have two lungs that lies inside the chest. That is true. Okay. Now doctor use a thermometer to listen to our heartbeat. It is true or false? It is false. Doctor use thermometer or stethoscope. Stethoscope to listen to your heartbeat. So to take care of our body, we need to exercise and rest. To take care of our body, we need to exercise and rest. That is true. Okay. So, eyes help us to walk. That is false. We have two lungs that lies inside the chest. That is true. Doctor use the thermometer to listen to our heartbeat. That is false. To take care of our body, we need to exercise and rest. That is true. Okay. Who am I? I help you to remember. Which internal organs help us to remember, children? Which internal organ help us to remember? That is brain. What is the spelling of brain? B-R-A-I-N. Brain. It help you to remember. Which organ, child? That is brain. It help you to remember. That is brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. I fill up with air when you breathe in. I fill up the air when you breathe in. Which internal organs? When you take breath, where it goes? It goes to the lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. I pump blood to all parts of our body. I pump blood to all parts of our body. That is heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Now, I help you to digest the food. I help you to digest the food. That is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Okay. Which internal organ help you to remember? That is brain. Okay. Brain. What is the spelling of brain, children? B-R-A-I-N. Brain. When you take air, when you take oxygen, where it goes first? It goes to the lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. I pump blood. It pumps blood to all the parts of our body. That is heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. I help you to digest your food. When you eat food, that goes inside your stomach and it digests. What is that? That is stomach. STOMACH, stomach, over here. Which organ help you to think? Children, just tell me, which organ help you to think? Where in your body will you find this organ? Okay, so brain help us to think. Brain help us to think. It lies inside our head. It lies inside our head. Fix it. Brain help us to think. It lies inside our head. Okay. Which organ help you to think? Which organ help you to think, to remember things? They are brain. And where it is? It is inside our head. Brain is inside our head. Okay. Now write 2 ways in which you can take care of your body. That is eating healthy food, drinking lots of water. Write 2 ways how you can take care of your body. That is eating healthy food, drinking lots of water. You should eat healthy food. You should eat fruits, vegetables, pulses, milk. Okay, you should eat and drink healthy food. Okay, and drink lots of water for the digestion of the food. Okay, children? Now over here you can see the worksheet. Okay, the girl is holding a ice. So she is holding a ice. So what is it? It is the touch. TOUCH, touch. TOUCH, touch. Then eyes over here. You can see with your eyes. SEE, see with your eyes. This child is listening to the earphone. So here, HEAR, here, this girl, the child is eating ice cream. Okay, so the child is tasting ice cream. So she is tasting. Okay, the boy is smelling the food, the smell of the food. Okay, so smell. Okay, now over here, these are the internal organs of the body. So we have to write the spellings. So BRAIN, brain. BRAIN, brain. This is heart. HEART, heart. HEART, heart. Stomach. STOMACH, stomach. STOMACH, stomach. Okay. Now we will be doing the worksheet part. We have done the worksheet part. Let us read. The organ that help us to think. The organ that help us to think is brain. BRAIN, brain. This is the worksheet we have done. So read. Let us read. The organ that help us to think. That is brain. BRAIN, brain. The organ that help us to breathe. Breathe for breathing. Lungs. LUNGS, lungs. The organ that pumps blood. To all the parts of the body. That is heart. HEART, heart. The organ that help us to digest the food. That is stomach. STOMACH, stomach. Okay. Now over here, we should always keep our body healthy. Complete the following sentence with what we should do to stay healthy. We must eat healthy food. We must eat healthy food. We must drink lot of water. We must drink lot of water. We must exercise regularly. We must exercise regularly. We must take enough rest. We must take enough rest. Okay. Now I have given you 2 questions based on stethoscope. Okay. Now stethoscope, an instrument used by doctor to listen to our heartbeat. Stethoscope. What is the spelling of stethoscope? STETHOSCOP. Stethoscope means the doctors are using to check your heartbeat when you are not feeling well, or when you have fever. When you go to the doctor, he do the checkup for you. Yeah, that time he used the stethoscope. So an instrument used by doctor to listen to our heartbeat. Okay, now next is digest. The process, digest means when you eat your food, that goes inside your stomach. That goes inside your stomach, and the water you drink, that also goes inside your stomach. They both mix together and they digest the food. The process of breaking down the food into simpler form. Digest. The process of breaking down the food into simpler form, that is digest. Okay, we have done with lesson number 1 about me, revision of the textbook and the worksheet. Okay, so you have to read this properly. Okay children, so thank you children.